Dear teachers, hello, I am Suryakant, Principal of Divine International School. On this special day, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Your dedication and hard work are the driving force behind our student success. In today's digital era, technology is essential in shaping education. That's why we have teamed up with Studybase to enhance our teaching environment as it provides innovative tools and resources that help refine our teaching methods and streamline administrative tasks, allowing us more time to focus on inspiring our students. This collaboration helps us manage tasks more effectively, ultimately benefiting both students and staff. As we celebrate Teachers' Day, please know that your efforts are deeply valued and appreciated. Enjoy this special day and take pride in knowing that your hard work makes a significant difference. Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.